Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to install one of these right here. This is actually a bicycle phone holder. So I'll be showing you how to install a bicycle phone holder in this easy tutorial. Let's get right into the video. Before I show you how to install it, I just want to give you an overview of what it is. My wife actually got this for her new bike and she couldn't install it. She couldn't figure out how to get it to clamp properly. So I said, listen, honey, I'm joking, I don't call her honey. I said, listen, my love. Not only will I install it for you, because I'm a great husband, but I'm also gonna make a video about it because I'm a great YouTuber as well. So I'm just really doing two things at once as I make this video. She can hear me say this, so she's probably shaking her head and rolling her eyes at me, but we're gonna go with it anyways. So essentially, this is the one that she got. Yours might be a little bit different, but it's probably gonna be very similar with regards to the installation process. Now, here's one thing that is a bit confusing. This one came with two of these rubber pads inside of it, okay? You most likely will not need two of the rubber pads. They usually want you to choose one of them, whichever one fits your handlebar. So inside of this one, there is a thicker rubber pad right here and a thinner one, okay? You gotta figure out which one works for you. In my case, in my wife's case with her bike over here, I believe the thicker one would work well, but it's up to you, whichever one works for you. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna put the thicker one in here, okay? Now, basically there's a little threaded screw right here, threaded bolt, and you loosen it, okay, until it releases from this piece over here. When it releases from that piece, you can open this up as much as you need to, not too much, don't break it, but open it up as much as you need to wrap it around the handlebars, place your rubber piece in it, and I'll demonstrate in a moment. But then you want to put the threaded bolt through there, and then you want to line it up so that you're able to twist it in place. And when you line it up so you can twist it in place, when it catches that other thread, you can then tighten it in place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the camera over. We're going to do some high-tech editing over here. I'm going to get behind the camera. We're going to just whoop, high-tech editing over there. Okay, you might have caught a glimpse of my amazing garage organization. Here is my wife's bike, okay? Now we're gonna pick let's try that again. What we're gonna do, I gotta get a little bit more emphasis on that. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pick a place on the handlebar to put the phone mount. I think I'm gonna put it right over here essentially, okay? So I'm gonna get this thicker rubber pad. I'm gonna place it on the inside of the clamp for the phone mount, the phone holder over here. And then you can adjust this part after, right? You just wanna get it mounted on, okay? So essentially I'm gonna open this up like this. Okay, I'm gonna place it around the handlebars like that. Okay, now that it's around the handlebars, all I need to do is take this threaded bolt. I'm gonna feed it through this open hole over here. So I'm gonna feed it through the open hole over there. And then I'm going to thread it and twist it into this piece over here. I'm gonna try and give you a better view if you just give me a moment over here. So I'm threading it through this open hole and I'm twisting it into this piece over here. I do apologize about the poor lighting. It is nighttime right now and I'm just getting this done, you know, whenever I get the free time to do it. So yeah, basically I'm gonna put it through this open hole and I'm gonna try and line it up with that threaded piece and I'm going to twist it in place. And the goal is you gotta line it up so that you can catch that threaded piece. So how do you know you've caught the threaded piece? Pull against it. I'm pulling away and I'm not able to remove it. So now I've caught the threaded piece. I just need to twist it in place. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna twist it, what I like to call 80, 90% tight. Then I'm gonna put the phone mount at the angle that that my wife, I'm assuming, will want it. She can always adjust it later. And then I'm gonna tighten it the rest of the way. So right now we can still twist this, right? You wanna get it to the point where you can just barely twist it. That's essentially when you know you're 80, 90%. We can still twist it quite a bit, okay? Now you will have to, turn that threaded bolt quite a bit until it tightens up. Okay, you can use both of those rubber pieces that came with it, but you most likely will only need one of them. All right, so right now we're almost there. I'm going to basically twist it a couple more times, and we should be at the point where it is pretty tight. Okay, so right now it's pretty tight. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to place this phone mount. You can see it's already held in place essentially. I'm going to place it where I think roughly my wife will want it. She can always adjust it later, okay? When it's in place where I think she's gonna want it, give or take, then I'm gonna tighten this bolt even further. So I'm continuing to tighten this bolt basically until it's hand tightened to the max. So when I cannot tighten it anymore, that is essentially when you know that the phone mount holder is not gonna go anywhere, okay? So basically right now, it is hand tightened to the max. You can see, like I can hit it if she's gonna go over like a bump or whatever, you know. Not that she's not like a BMX or, you know, she's not gonna go off the curbs and stuff. She might, I don't think so though. But it's not going anywhere, right? You can always hit it a few times to make sure it's not gonna go anywhere. So right now, then you can adjust the actual phone mount itself. So now I can adjust the phone mount itself, but it's installed. It's not going to go anywhere. You can adjust the phone mount itself to the angle that you want it to be at. And that's it. That is essentially how to install a bicycle phone holder. Like I said, this is just one example of many, probably hundreds if not thousands that you can get. But they're going to be very similar to install. So that's it. And if you have a handlebar that goes thicker and thinner, you're going to want to make sure you install it at a point in the handlebar that is sort of uniform. You don't want to install it at a point that is going from thicker to thinner or thinner to thicker. You want to install it at a point that's uniform. This way it has the best chance at not moving and getting loose, right? And that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.